Hello everyone, this is Mohan Raghavan, and in this video we are going to learn some more data types which are array, tuples, enum and union. In previous video we have seen the primitive data types such as string, number, boolean, big int, null and undefined. Let's try to understand the array, tuples, enum and union. Before we start, let me introduce this playground which is from the TypeScript official website. TypeScriptlang.org is the official website for TypeScript, and there you can find the playground. If you want to experiment the simple code snippets of TypeScript, then you can go for this. Let's start with array. Like any other language, when you want to represent the list of items or array of items, then you will go for the array. In case of TypeScript, you not only declare as an array or list, but also you mention the type of items that is getting inside. For example, here you can see line number 6, let num data, and it is type of numbers array. So in order to represent the list or array, you will be mentioning the square brackets. Once you have mentioned this, then you can assign the values. Let's say I am assigning the values as 1, 2, 4, 5. And also you can add the items by using the push method. There are other methods also we can use in case of array. And also you can use the indexing where the starting index would be 0. Like this you can mention num data, square brackets and the index number. But let's try to execute and see the full output. Here you can see the final output is 1, 2, 4, 5 and 77. Let's try to do the indexing. 0th index which is 1. So by this time, if you want to add some other value which is not type of number, then you will be getting the error. In the screen itself it will be linting, and also in errors tab you will see the error message. As we know already, since it's the only development time check, so you can fix it, or if you don't fix it, still it can execute. Now let's go to the tuple. Tuple is not something special, but it will give some more options to the list. For example, you want to restrict the list in the number as well as in the type. For example, I want to create the variable called role, but it should have only 2 items, and also the first item should be a type of string and second item should be a type of number. I can design like this and it will be fixed. For example, let's say I am assigning the value role as admin and second value number which can be 22, and try to execute and see the output. Here you can see it is giving the output as expected, admin and 22. Now here we are using the existing types which are string and number, and we are limiting that. Let's say I want to add some more value which is exceeding the number. Now here you can see it will give the error, and you can see the error message. Source has 3 elements but target allow only 2. So it is restricting the number of items. Now I'll change the type. Again you will be getting the error message because it is looking for the type as well. Second item in the role should be a type of number, not as a string. So we have fixed everything again. So let's go to the next one, enum. In previous example you can see role, some people might type like admin in full caps, somebody will type in mixed case, somebody will type in their own way, administrator as well. So we want to limit not only as a string but also the values. So whenever you have the set of values fixed, then you can create the type as enum. For example, I am creating the type as enum, which is type of role. Basically the enum name is role, and it can have only restricted values such as admin, user and support. Now when I define the user again, I will be mentioning first type as string. Again it is the tuple where it can have only 2 values. The first value could be string, but second value it is not a simple string, it is the enum. That means that you cannot give any other value other than the values present in role. For example, I am assigning the value to the user. The first type is string and I am giving the value as Raja, and second one I can give any value role.admin support user, maybe I can give support. Any value inside the enum type is allowed, but not other than that. For example, let's say I want to give something directly. Even though it looks like a correct value, since I mentioned type as role enum, then I should be giving only the values from the enum. So by this way, you also give the restricted list of values inside the type. And last one we can see as a union. This is the pipe symbol and this is also called as a R. Basically you want to make a union of types. Here sometime I am having the response variable which may get number type or string type, not other than that. So in that case I can use both types, but I will be concatenating with pipe symbol. It means the response variable can have number type or string type, not other than that. So let's try to execute this and see the output. Here you can see the response can have both 100 as well as a string value error occurred. But let's try to give some other value. Instead of 100 I can give boolean value. See, other than number and string it will not allow any other type. So basically in this video we have understood the array, tuples, enum, union in the playground of TypeScript. Array is a simple list of items with a type, whereas tuple, it will give the type of each item and the number of items inside the list. And we also seen some more enhanced type when you give the string values or any type of value. Basically you will create your own type, the fixed values, so that you can use only those values. Whenever you want to have multiple types to be added to your variable, then you will use those types concatenated with pipe symbol. So this is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others' cloud.